Hey guys, how's it going? Charlie here at Truckee Rents with Mountain Hardware and Sports. We're going to go over with you today how to change out an auger shear pin on a Honda snowblower. So as you can see, this here is the actual auger of the snowblower, and this here is that shear pin I'm talking about changing. It rests inside this boss assembly. We're going to show you how to put it in and how to put it in correctly. Alrighty. Now, as you can see, the shear pin here, where it was, is no longer there. And how you can tell this when you're operating the actual snowblower is when that thing goes, only one auger will be turning and actually propelling your propeller back there. See, this one actually doesn't want to move because it's not connected. And so when you're in operation, this will keep spinning, your boss assembly will keep spinning, so you're going to need to line this auger up with the hole that's on the boss assembly. And so you just essentially grab your auger, and it will spin. It's a little difficult, but it will spin, and you turn it down to where you can get access to where that boss assembly opening is for your shear pin on that auger. That way you're making things a little easier for yourself. And then once you got that opening out in front of you, you're going to take your shear pin, and you want to insert the bolt with the bolt head on the gearbox side, pointing towards the center there. And the reason for that is because on this boss assembly, like I had mentioned before, it has a little cradle for that bolt head to rest in, and that's what holds that bolt from spinning. Slide it in there, slides right in. We take our nut and we're going to screw it in on the other side here. Screw it on. And once we get it nice and finger tight, pull out our 10mm wrench. Wrong way there. There we go. Now, the auger shear pin here, because it's a shear pin, it is designed to break. So you don't want to over tighten it, because if you do, it'll weaken that shear pin and it'll cause it to break faster. But at the same time, you don't want to under tighten it, because if you under tighten it, it'll loosen itself and then again it'll break faster. So you just want to find that nice happy medium right in between, make sure it's nice and snug space, and get it in there. And now, as you can see with the shear pin in place, when you spin one auger, both of them turn in sequence. So yeah, that's the auger shear pin on the Honda snowblower. And tune in later for more little tips and tidbits, and we'll try to keep you guys out there blowing snow. Thanks so much.